Hey, hello, lovely people. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are again back with some more interesting topic. This is, narcissist. I think you all have heard about the narcissist or narcissism of people. If you don't know about narcissist, I'll tell you. Narcissist कौन होते हैं? Who are narcissists? Who have a very high sense of self. That means they feel that they are the important one. उनको ऐसा लगता है नार्सिसिस्ट लोगों को, ठीक है. एंड दिस इज नॉट जेंडर बायस्ड. नार्सिसिस्ट इज नॉट जेंडर बायस्ड. नार्सिसिस्ट पर्सन इज एक्चुअली completely involved in themselves. That means they keep themselves as high priority, and also they can't take slight criticism. They think whatever they say that is correct, and they can never have feelings for someone else. किसी और के लिए फील नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वो इतने इमर्स्ड रहते हैं अपने में, बिकॉज दे कांट से that they can get dedicated to someone, but yes, they can act really well. They can give you mixed signals that they are interested or they are falling in love with you, but they are not. Okay. And what are the major signs of a narcissist? Okay, you can see that they see that what they have done, और उन्होंने जो किया है लाइफ में या फिर उन्होंने जो अचीव किया है सिर्फ वो कर सकते हैं, कोई और नहीं. और जितना प्रॉब्लम्स उनके लाइफ में है इतना प्रॉब्लम तो किसी में नहीं है, किसी में भी नहीं, ठीक है. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ पीपल आर लाइक दे आर द सुपर हीरोज फॉर दमसेल्फ. ओके, बट दे डोंट नो दैट देयर इज अ बिग वर्ल्ड आउट देयर. दे नीड टू स्टेप आउट एंड सी अदर पीपल. एंड वो ये भी समझते हैं कि दुनिया उन्होंने सबसे ज़्यादा देखी है. ऐसा लगता है जैसे they think that they are God. They think that they know everything. So this is what the major sign of a narcissist is. And another sign is also that they are like, मेरे वजह से सब कुछ होता है पॉजिटिव. देखा मैंने बोला था ना ऐसा हुआ, देखा मैंने बोला था ना वैसा हुआ. They are like, what they say is right. And cherry on the cake, let me tell you something more about a narcissist person. They think that people run behind them. They think they are the best version that can never exist in this world. So you need to stay away from such people. If such people are around you, you need to please be alert.